Meteorologist Morgan Kolkmeyer. Good morning, Morgan.
Hey, good morning. Cold. It feels cold now.
Yeah,
we had 50s yesterday morning, so big change here this morning. Obviously, it's not cold for this time of year, but if you compare it to yesterday, it's a little chillier. You're at 38 degrees at O'Hare, 37 degrees at the lakefront, and 40 still at Midway. Colder as you head further west. Aurora down just barely above freezing at 33 degrees. You're also at 33 near DeKalb, 35 in Valparaiso and McHenry. Real quiet day around here. We do have lakefront cooling. We've got temps inland reaching about this number for O'Hare, 45 by noon and topping out in the low 50s around here today. Lakefront tops out in the upper 40s. We'll get into a detailed look here in a few minutes. Brett's here with your traffic. Hey, Brett.
Hey,
Yeah, it's a real easy interpretation for us. All right, good morning. You've got temps quite a bit colder than yesterday. You're down to 20 colder in Peru. It's 14 degrees colder at O'Hare, 13 degrees colder at Midway right now, and 12 colder in Valparaiso. You've got temps today making it all over the board, really, from 40s to upper 50s, depending on where you're at. Here's a look at your current air temps. You're at 38 at O'Hare, 37 at the lakefront, and 40 degrees at Midway. We all sit between about freezing and 40 degrees, and it's coldest as you look west. Aurora, DeKalb, of course, typically the coldest spots. You're down to 33 there. East winds today, which brings us lakefront cooling. You've got a big change in your lakefront readings to your far inland readings, and we'll show you those in a minute or so. You've got a clear start this morning with winds running at or under 10 miles per hour. They do stay out of the east around here today, and we keep a clear and sunny sky. Looks like cloud cover stays off to our north and south, and we kind of squeeze right in between it and see mainly sunshine around here. Dry weather sticks around as well today, and here's some forecast highs for you. Might be a degree warm actually at the lakefront. Mid 40s expected, maybe 46 there at the lakefront in the city. O'Hare about 52 degrees. It'll likely be a very kind of sharp cutoff from low 50s to upper 50s within parts of even northern Cook County and DuPage County. So going low 50s at the airport, but just west of there, upper 50s, and you can see that in Bartlett, Aurora 58, Joliet even 60 degrees. Should get into some 60s as you head further south. And same story northwest Indiana, from north to south, you see some cooling there. 52 east winds, mid to upper 40s at the lakefront under a mainly sunny sky. 36 and clear tonight. Tomorrow looks mostly sunny, cooler lakeside still. Looks like right around 50 or just shy of 50 at the lakefront, inland close to 60. 72, still a little cooler by the lake on Friday, especially as you look in toward Lake County. Storms look real late around here Friday, closer to midnight. We'll get into more of that coming up. Back to you. So it's between those numbers. 37 degrees at the lakefront right now and 39 at O'Hare. It's 35 degrees in Aurora and 34 in Valparaiso. East winds are up to 13 miles per hour here. They'll stay right around this speed and direction most of the day. It's under 10 miles per hour. Clear and quiet this morning. We'll get into a good deal of sun around here today and tomorrow. And now it looks like even by Friday afternoon we break into some. Lakefront cooling today, mid to upper 40s at the lake. This might be a degree or two warm for the lakefront, actually. 45, 46 expected there. Low 50s at O'Hare and Midway. And then the further inland you get, the warmer it gets. So upper 50s and low 60s for most of the rest of us. And the further south, obviously, you've got a better run for those low 60s. We've got to talk a little weather around here for your Friday. Today is really quiet. Tomorrow as well. We're going through time here, just sunshine, clear conditions, and lakefront cooling is really all that's going on. By your Friday, we'll see a few clouds in the morning and looking to break into some sun in the afternoon. Real strong south or south-southeast winds, 45, 50 mile per hour wind gusts during the afternoon and early evening on Friday. So difficult to travel on those east-west roads. So I-80, I-88, I-90 going to be dealing with those strong gusts basically perpendicular to you. Plus, we watch this line of thunderstorms for your Friday late night and overnight. We'll keep an eye on it. We are pegged for a slight chance for severe weather out of that, and the highest threat would be damaging wind gusts, obviously. Sometimes when you get these lines, you can get some spin-up tornadoes on the leading edge of it as well. So all things just to watch at this point. It's only Wednesday morning, but there's your pre-warning for your Friday night. 52 here today, mainly sunny with mid to upper 40s lakeside, and again, many of you upper 50s, low 60s, the further inland you get. 36 quiet overnight tonight, and 59 tomorrow. Lakefront cooling, 70s on Friday. That's your forecast.